In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock a channel on Discord. Locking a channel basically means controlling who can send messages or interact there, while still letting people see what they need to see. This is really useful for announcement channels, rule channels, or any place where you want information to stay clean and organized without random messages popping in. First, open Discord on your computer or in your browser, and head into the server where you want to lock a channel. Make sure you have the right permissions to manage channels or server settings. If you're not the server owner or an admin, you may need to ask someone with higher permissions to adjust this for you. Once you're in the correct server, look at the list of channels on the left side. Find the specific channel you want to lock. This can be a text channel or, in some cases, a voice channel if you're controlling who can speak or join. Hover over the channel name, then right-click on it. A menu will appear with several options. From that menu, choose the option that opens the channel settings. Inside the channel settings, look for the permissions section. This is where all the magic happens. You'll see different roles and sometimes individual members listed. Each role can have custom permissions for this channel, such as sending messages, adding reactions, or viewing the channel at all. To lock the channel for regular members, focus on the main role that represents your general users, often called something like everyone. Select that role, then look for the permission that says Send Messages if it's a text channel, or Connect and Speak if it's a voice channel. Turn off or deny the permissions you don't want them to have. This prevents users with that role from posting messages or speaking, but still lets them see the channel if View Channel is allowed. If you want only moderators or admins to talk in that channel, make sure their roles have the permissions turned on. This way, staff can still post updates, while everyone else can only read. After you've adjusted the permissions, scroll down and save your changes. It's a good idea to test this with a test account, or ask a regular member if they can still type in the channel. If they can't and they can still see it, your lock is working. That's all you need to do to lock a channel on Discord and keep your server organized and under control.